Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 24. Problem number 116. The least number which must be subtracted from this number to make it exactly divisible by 9. Okay. So, what is the least number subtracted from this number? That is 6709. Such that it should be divisible by 9. The logic is very simple here. Divide the given number by 9 and what is the remainder we are getting? That is nothing but that required number. Subtract that remainder from this number, then the remaining value is exactly divisible by 9. Okay. So the solution if we are considering, first divide 6709 by 9. Okay. So 6709 divided by 9. The remainder we will get here is 4. So if you are subtracting the number 4 from this 6709, we will get the number exactly divisible by 9. So what is the number in the sense? 6709 minus 4, that is 6705. And this number is exactly divisible by 9. So the least number subtracted from this number is 4. So the correct answer is option C, 4. Problem number 117. The least number subtracted from 427398 so that the remaining number is divisible by 15. This is also the problem is same like previous problem. So we have to divide this number by 15 and what is the remainder we are getting, and that remainder is nothing but the answer. Okay. So divide 627,398 by 15. And if you are dividing the remainder, we will get here is 3. If you are subtracting the value 3 from this sum, that is 427398 minus 3. So we will get 427395. Then this sum is exactly divisible by 15. So the required number to be subtracted from this sum is nothing but the remainder. Okay. So the answer is option A, 3. Problem number 118. What least number must be subtracted from this sum so that the remainder is exactly divisible by 97? This is also same like previous problem. So, divide 13294 by 97. So, if you are dividing in the sense, we will get the remainder 5. And if we are subtracting the number 5 from this value, we will get the sum that is exactly divisible by 97. So, the correct answer is 5. That is 13294 minus 5. We will get it as 13289. And this number is exactly divisible by 97. So, we need to subtract 5 from this sum. So, the correct answer is option D, 5. Next, problem number 119. When the sum of two numbers is multiplied by 5, the product is divisible by 15. Okay. Sum of two numbers, any two sum we have to take it, that should be multiplied by 5 and that product should be divisible by 15. Which one of the following pair of numbers satisfies the above condition? So first we will take the option A. Find the sum. 240 plus 335. And the answer is 575. And this should be multiplied by 5. So the product we will get it as 2875. And if you are checking whether it is divisible by 15 in the sense, no, it is not divisible by 15. Next, check the option B. That is 250 plus 341. So we will get it as 591. And 591 should be multiplied by 5. We will get the sum 2955 and check whether it is divisible by 15. Yes, it is divisible by 15. Similarly, consider the third option. 245 plus 3, 588, and this 588 multiply by 5. We will get it as 2940, and this is also divisible by 15. So, both the option B and C, it is satisfying the given condition and it is divisible by 15. So, we can choose any one option, whether it is option B or C. Both the options is correct. Any one we can choose. Next, problem number 120. The least number by which 72 must be multiplied in order to produce a multiple of 112. So here, if you are considering in the sense, the least number we will consider it as x. And this least number should be multiplied to 72. And we will get a product. And this product should be exactly divisible by 112. So what is the value of x we need to find? So here they have given 4 options. We will consider these 4 options only. So option A, if you are considering, the value is 6. 6 into 72. The result we will get it as 432. That is a product. And 432, if you are dividing by 112 in the sense, it is not exactly divisible by 112. We will get reminder. Okay. So consider the next option. Option B, 12 into 72. So the product we will get it as 864. And if you are dividing this number by 112, this is also not exactly divisible by 112. So consider the third option. Option C, 14 into 72. So the product we will get it as 1008. And consider whether this is exactly divisible by 112. Yes, 9 times. This is exactly divisible by 112. This may be the correct option. We will check the fourth option also, then we will conclude. So fourth option, if you are considering 18 into 72. So this product we will get it as 1296 and check whether it is exactly divisible by 112. No, we will get reminder. So the correct option is option C, that is 14. Thank you for watching this video.